Good morning, traders. Welcome to AI Traders Live market analysis to scan and find high probability trades using artificial intelligence. Here's a brief disclaimer, my contact details. I'll repeat this at the end. And then what we're going to look for today, we're going to use 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversals, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves for the swing trader. And we're going to use these 4 strategies scanning the markets, looking for top quality trade ideas. Now, major market reversals, the code there 100 is just the ID that the AI uses to identify this strategy. We look for when stocks oversold and other forces including cross-market indicators provide evidence of a strong move. So these are very profitable trades. Major market reversals is a fantastic one to trade. The next one is classic swing trades. 104 is the code there. Reversion swing trades. Yeah, we look for classic swing trade situation, reversion to the mean. The intelligent exits establish stops below the lows of a move and look to take profits at the upper boundary of a swing. So these are kind of from a couple of days to a couple of weeks type position. 105 volatility breakouts. This AI strategy was trained to find volatility breakouts, potential moves indicated by unusual high volatility in the direction of the breakout. So that's once again quite aggressive. These are quite aggressive trading styles. These can run for several bars before hitting resistance, and we have a trading profit that's automatically calculated by the AI. Quick 3-day moves. 106 is the code. This AI strategy is trained to maximize profits 3 bars after the entry. A nice short-term swing trade type strategy. Right, now let's go and look at some trade ideas. In today's AI Traders Live presentation, we're going to look at the FTSE350 and look for new trade ideas generated by artificial intelligence in the FTSE350. So I've got the Metastock platform open, Fulgent AI search engine is selected. You can see there's quite a lot of other strategies inside the Metastock platform, but for today's presentation we focus on Fulgent AI. And I'm scrolling down to find the FTSE350 stocks. I have them selected. Just make sure I've got nothing else selected. Right here at the bottom, there we go. Now I'm going to start the exploration looking for artificial intelligence trading ideas of those 4 strategies as discussed earlier. Now this takes quite some time because we're looking at 350 stocks, and so I'm going to pause my presentation here and I'll be back as soon as most of the scan is done. We're 3.5 minutes, almost 4 minutes into the scan. We've done 79.80 shares so far. Now we're about 7 minutes into the trade, 7.5 minutes, we've done 150 shares in the scan. 13 minutes into the trade, 280 items done, so we're almost finished with the screen. Only a few more items to go, and then we should get the results. It took 17 minutes, 17.5 probably, 17.26 minutes to do the scan. We've got 236 rejections, which means there wasn't a particular good signal based on the AI, and we've got 116 signals where the AI has identified a trade over the last couple of weeks and months. So the 2 columns here is in a long, in a short. This in a long is where the AI is in a long position already, and it tells you the bars there, tells you how many days, how many bars are old that particular trade. If we're looking for something really fresh, we need to have a 1 in this column in a long, or if there's a short, there'll be a long in there. So if we sort this one and see if there's anything recently fired, yes, there's 2 new longs fired. Kainos Group, and we can load that chart. And we need to make sure we have the artificial intelligence expert on to identify and give us the signals. There we go. It takes a second. So you can see quite a lot of quick moves, swing trades, quick moves. So it's still in a long there. Don't know, there should be a signal there. It should be 1 day. It'll probably come ahead. That is probably the quick move signal. It's not quite coming up on the chart. 7 Trent in a long. Yes, swing trade. So there we go. So that's a brand new signal as of yesterday. So you got a day or two to get into that, but those are quick swing trades. So you should get back up to about 2.5. So the others that are most recent, if we just sort everything from low to high in terms of bars, Domino's Pizza, it's been 3 days into a trade. Swing trade, you can see we've had quite a couple of swing trades out of that one. Right move. This has been a great stock to trade. You see from the volatility breakout at the bottom, just kept going higher. Stop loss there, volatility breakout, huge move, sell signal there after hitting the stop loss. Quick move with the sell signal there, swing trade to the downside. This is actually a short position, 3 days into a short. That's interesting. So the other one that's in a long is Diploma. 5 days into a trade, swing trade there as well. You can see we've had some great signals on this one as well. Huge move up, stop losses added as we go up. Huge swing trade, huge move, caught it literally the day or two before, and off we go. PZ Cousins, 5 days into a trade. Swing trade, you can see this one, we've had a nice run up from the March low, huge up, run up, and then eventually it hit the trailing stop loss over there, and then immediately after that had some positive price action and got back into the trade. So there's been some great trades on that one. Currently in a swing trade with a stop loss down here at 206. Experian, 7 days into a trade. Experian major reversal, so we should see some uptrend coming from Experian. There's been some great signals as well there. You can see volatility breakout back here, you get in the trade, stop loss hit there, another volatility breakout there, very much a sideways moving, and then you got your profit signal out there, quick move out there, and then a major reversal, still in a long trade, quite a wide stop loss adjusted by the AI itself. So this is how you kind of keep going down the list. You can sort from high to low. We know some of the trades that were in a very long time. Victrex, SSE, Pennon Group, these are all in a trade for a very long time. Auto Trader there, interestingly enough, also in a trade for a long time. Yeah, oh yeah, what a wonderful trade that was. Yeah, huge move up, still grinding higher. See if there's any other familiar names. Marks and Spencer, interestingly enough, 183 days into trade. You can see there's also a nice move there, major reversal up, and a nice move there. So we can sort by alphabetically. So these are the names. Anglo Americans, 168 days into a trade, into a long. Still going strong. So as you can see, the AI is really identifying some really great trades out of the FTSE350, BEA Systems, Auto Trade. But in terms of what we're looking for today, we've sorted them from the lowest to highest bar, and we can just go down as we did earlier, and you see which ones are some of the great trade ideas. So it's well worth revisiting some of these longer term trades to see if they're still valid, but so far so good. Quite a great portfolio of good high performing shares. If anybody's interested in getting your hands on your own AI, you can go to the following link, metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1 for the Metastock platform. You can get a 3-for-1 deal on the platform as well, but for good long-term pricing on the full engine itself, metastock.com/alphaharvestf. Until next time, happy AI trading.